Is singledom suiting you since you parted ways with Mr. Malia?
मीडिया के ऐसे सवाल तो कई सुने होंगे आपने। बहुत बार पूछा गया दीपिका से उनके alleged रिलेशनशिप के बारे में विद सिद्धार्थ मालिया। इस बार भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ जब जूम ने करना चाहा कंफर्म अबाउट दीज टू लवबर्ड्स।
Is singledom suiting you since you parted ways with Mr. Malia? Is singledom suiting you since you parted ways with Mr. Malia?
और अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि आगे इस सवाल का दीपिका का जवाब होगा that first of all me and Siddharth were never together, then hold your horses and listen up.
I think I've always been a very confident person. But I guess the slightly extra glow now is probably due to the success of Cocktail more than anything else. Due to the success of Cocktail more than anything else.
जी हाँ, दीपिका ने नहीं किया इस बात को डिनाई कि सिद्धार्थ एंड शी वर टुगेदर, ना ही हुई इस बात पर ऑफेंड दैट दे हैव नाउ पार्टेड वेज, बल्कि दीपिका ने तो कह दिया कि उनकी ग्लो का रीजन उनकी फिल्म कॉकटेल की सक्सेस है मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स।
More than anything else. More than anything else.
अब ये एनीथिंग एल्स क्या है ये तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे, बट अगर इतना प्रूफ काफी नहीं तो आगे भी सुनिए कि कैसे जूम ने बातों बातों में दीपिका से ये कंफर्म करा लिया कि सिद्धार्थ मालिया और उनके रिलेशनशिप की खबरें सच्ची थीं।
I mean, I'm someone who's always believed in being positive, always striving to do better and to work harder, and that has always been my drive and motivation.
And not singledom?
Of course, singledom, but yes, I think that also does give me a lot of time for myself, and yes, it helps me focus on my work.
There you are, Deepika Padukone exclusively confirming कि वो अब हैं single, and whatever was there between her and Sid is over, and this, Deepika proves it yet again.
You've always been wonderful at keeping relationships and you've always maintained it. So now, did Sid reply? Did he watch Cocktail and did he message you? I mean, I'm sure you have still, even though he's an ex, he's still friends with him.
I'm not sure, you'll have to ask him that.
He didn't? Not yet? He hasn't messaged?
I have no idea, you should ask him that.
I should ask Sid. Interesting.
बेचारी दीपिका को शायद ही पता होगा कि कुछ ना कहकर भी वो हमारे हर सवाल पर खबर सच्ची होने का मोहर लगाती जा रही हैं। खैर, it was not just सिद्धार्थ who blew us off. रणबीर के सवालों पर भी जरा दीपिका के रिएक्शन पर नजर डालिए।
Everybody is looking forward to ye Jawani Hai Diwani, or you know, because you and Ranbir are finally back together and everything. But how was it shooting in those lovely hills? You guys had beautiful locales. You all shot in Manali, if I'm correct?
Yeah, but right now I think we should just stick to talking about what we're here to talk about. We've discussed everything. Yeah, all I can tell you right now is that yes, we are shooting for the movie. That's all I can tell you right now. Yes, we are shooting for the movie.
Seems like सिद्धार्थ के सवालों पर goof ups करने के बाद फाइनली दीपिका को रियलाइज हो गया कि अब इससे ज्यादा कुछ भी बोलना ठीक नहीं, कहीं रणबीर की खबरों पर भी मोहर न लग जाए। खैर, जाते जाते आइए आपको दीपिका से हुई और बातें भी दिखा देते हैं। दीपिका पहुंची थी एक ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट के प्रमोशनल इवेंट पर। लिसन अप एज वेरोनिका लेट्स हर ब्यूटी सीक्रेट्स आउट।
What not to do with the hair? You know, people do so many things. They have so many nuskas and so many things. Something that you should not try out too much with your hair.
One, generally in life, I think one should always do what you want to do. But yes, I think also different things work for different people. I think fortunately for me, I've never really had a bad hair day.
See, and then she said I was embarrassing her.
But if you do, I think it's about knowing what to do with it. You know, you can wear an interesting hairband, you can pin it up, you can clip it up, you know, you can oil your hair and maybe make it like a stylish, like a slick ponytail or something. So I think if you have a healthy lifestyle and you eat healthy, you should hopefully never have a bad hair day. And if you do occasionally, that's also fine, we all do. But then it's knowing how to work around that.
You know, talking about Cocktail, you just mentioned it was so successful. Congratulations. I'm sure everybody has been telling you how hot you look, besides the movie doing so well.
Yes, I think the film's got an amazing feedback and people have loved the movie. There's a lot of positive, there was actually a lot of positive energy around the film right from the time the first trailer launched.
It was a heady cocktail and I think you and Saif kind of really get along well. It shows. probably you guys are going to be lucky for each other for a few more movies.
I don't know. You know, we didn't plan to do so many movies together. Neither did we plan for it to be a success. I think what one can always do, like I said earlier, is to work hard. And I'm very passionate about the work that I do. And for me, I think I've always taken up films that I think I can challenge myself and take risks and do something different. And the challenge has always been to better myself and improve myself. And that's what it will always be.
Absolutely. Farah, in her very good humored way, had just tweeted saying that watched Cocktail and Deepika was fab. She's finally become an actress. You know, how she's your mentor. So when she says you finally become an actress, that's a huge compliment.
Sure, that is a huge compliment. I think somewhere she spotted that talent, which is why she probably gave me my launch in my first movie. But yes, I was very keen that she watched the movie, and while I had heard from the rest of the world, I was very, very keen to hear what she says, and I'm so glad that she not only enjoyed the movie, but she actually called me up and spoke to me about my performance in depth.
You've always told me you're a very home girl. You like being at home. So are you going to take little tips from Veronica, go all out, go partying? Oh, you can't party in Bombay anymore, can you?
I'm not sure about this, but I am still very much the Meera from Love Aajkal. Taking party tips from Veronica? Yeah, maybe sometimes, but no, I'm more like Meera from Love Aajkal.
What do we look forward to, Deepika, more? You know, we have so many projects that we keep hearing about, but like Chennai Express, are you going to do it? Are you not going to do it? So tell us something.
So all that I'm working on right now is Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, which we have a lot of that shoot left. There's also Race 2 that I'm working on, and Kochadiyan.
You are our skin and beauty expert for the day. You know, people always put in a lot of effort when it comes to looking beautiful. But what would you say is the easiest way to do it?
I think for me, what works is using products like Fiamma Devils that suit my skin so beautifully, but it also makes the experience a lot more enjoyable. But I'm also someone who believes that you should lead a healthy lifestyle, eat correctly, and also try and sneak in a little workout in your hectic schedule. And I think a lot of positivity and in the energy that you feel also comes from that. So if you feel good, you also give out that kind of energy.
Well, great. She does give us a lot of positive energy, and always that. Thank you so much, Deepika, and all the best with your forthcoming projects. There you are, Deepika Padukone, Rudrayan Chatraj with Camden Hari, Zoom.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Follow the Zoom TV channel on Daily Motion and get fresh news of Bollywood entertainment 24/7.